I'm Avnish Avasthi. I'm Additional Chief Secretary Home. I'm the Home Secretary for the state of UP. I'm also the CEO of UPIDA, which makes the expressways, and we call it the Express Pradesh. And very recently we have done the inauguration of the Purvanchal Expressway by the Honorable Prime Minister in Sultanpur. We started working in the tourism sector in 2017. UP has a very large potential for tourism. We have almost everything that you can imagine. Chitrakoot is one of those, Shravasti is one of those. So these are the areas which have tremendous potential. We need to build it up. The Honorable Chief Minister was clearly of the view that we need to showcase this, not just for the religious aspect to this, but showcase this in such a fashion that tourists from all over the world get attracted. Every district should have at least one tourist location which is highlighted. Chief Minister and the government on UP looks at tourism for essentially employment and employment generation and ultimately the development of the state. We are probably second in the country in terms of tourism, and we intend to become the topmost state in the country. Infrastructure, but particularly of airports, has gone up. So we have now international airports. So that again is a major boost to the state, and of course now the expressways within the state will give a major boost to movement for the tourist destinations. Social media is also a prime mover for providing publicity for the places. So the audio visual is what is important. This is where youth will get captured. Shravasti and Chitrakoot are smaller districts. The light and sound show, the Ramayana gallery, all of these are things which are out of the normal. At the back of mind, it will stay with you all your life that, well, when you went to Chitrakoot, you saw this Ramayana show. A large number of these new generation tourists, which would obviously lead to movement within those districts and will ultimately provide employment to the people within the district. Whenever we do this work on our sound and light shows, we should be very careful that we project the correct history of our country and state and the place concerned. I think that Pan Ind Telecom has done a good job. Who would like to work and add to the variety and add to the quality of the product. From the Swadesh Darshan scheme, we have done Ayodhya projects. We have done projects all over the state. Very recently, the Honorable Prime Minister was at Jhansi. They have worked on the Jhansi sound and light show. Obviously, will add to the attraction to that fort. So when it comes to life, you really feel the energy of the product. The sky is the limit. I'm pretty sure that by this, both these places, Chitrakoot and Shravasti, will benefit. A lot of tourism will happen because of our projects. And of course, Pan Ind has done a good job. I'm so very happy.